Hello, this is Nick, and I'll be taking you on Learn to Read. Of course, you're gonna learn how to read, so just follow me carefully, and I can assure you, at the end of the courses, you'll be able to learn how to read. All right. So we're gonna start with letter A. We're gonna start with letter A, and of course, letter A has three sounds. So the first one is A. Of course, you can see this dash on top of the A, which is making it A. The second one is A. Of course, this little curve on top of the A is making it called A. And we have the third one, which is called up. Of course, the ball on top is R. So you should note the difference. The first one is A with the dash on top, A. The second one is A with this little curve on top of the A, it's A. And the third one is up with the ball on top of it, it's called R. Now, under letter A, that's the first one. Remember, this is called A with the dash on top. So we have this, and we have the looking good picture here, which is called an ape. Ape, ape. Of course, the E here is silent, so that's why. But if you're gonna spell ape, you're gonna have to spell it along with the E. But for now, this is ape, ape. Don't worry about this letter P. We're gonna know what it's called as we go further. Well, now here are words under ape. We have ape, ape. You can see the A with the dash on top here is called ape. So ape is ape. So now this is k. Of course, when we go further, you're gonna know about k as in letter C. But for now, a k is cake. Of course, that'll lead to sweet thing you eat on your birthdays. Okay, but the e here is silent. So what a k is cake. And we have here r. Of course, when we go further again, you're gonna know about the sound letter R. But r, a is rain. Of course, the I in here is silent. R, a is rain. So let's go over it again. A with its dash on top is called a, as in here. So a, p, ep. Of course, the e here is silent. K, a, k is what? Cake. Of course, the e here is silent. R, a, is what? Rain. Of course, the I is silent. So we'll go over to the second A, which is A, with this little curve on top. So now on words under A, we have this little picture here, my friend. This little picture here, and this animal is called an antelope. I got some of you know what an antelope is if you really watch some documentary, but well, let's not go into that. And we have some words under antelope or A. We have, of course, when we go further again, you're gonna learn about letter H. But for now, A is hat. So we have at. Of course, don't worry. When we go further again, you're gonna learn about letter T. B, at, bat. Of course, again, we'll go further. You're gonna learn more about letter B. But b, at, bat. And don't forget the second alphabet or letter under A here is A with this little curve on top. A. And this animal here is called an antelope. We have a, hat, a, at, b, at, bat. Okay, don't worry, we're gonna learn about letter B when we go further. Now, this is the third one is A. Of course, the ball on top of the A is A. Now under here is this wonderful picture called an armadillo. Armadillo. And here are the words under armadillo. We have car, car. Of course, this A here is A with this ball on top of it is called A. Now, A, R, That one will go further. You're gonna learn about more of this alphabet. This letter R and letter M, even this letter J and letter R. So when we go further, you're gonna learn more about it. But now this is A, R, arm, J, A, R, jar. So let's go over it again. Remember, this A with the dash on top is called A, as in ape. is looking monkey here, and the second one is A with this curve on top. It's called A, and this animal here is called an antelope. And the third one is A with the ball on top of the A, which is armadillo. So I want you to know the difference. Remember, the dash on top is A, the curve on top is A, and the ball on top is R. So let's go over to the next alphabet, which is letter B. And this letter B is called B. It's called B. And of course, letter B has only one sound. It doesn't have any other sound like in the letter A. But this one is B. B. So these are words under B. This huge looking beast here is called a buffalo. Buffalo. A buffalo. And here are the words under buffalo. We have B, A, L, ball. I remember the A with the ball on top is called A, B, A, L, ball. B, A, T, bat. Of course, remember the second sound in letter A, with the curve on top, B, A, T, bat. And B, A, T, bait. Of course, remember the A, the first sound, letter A, is A with the dash on top, B, A, T, bait. Of course, the E here is silent. B, A, R, bar. Of course, our letter, the second sound in letter A is A. So now this is B, B. And under B, we have a buffalo, a buffalo. And here are the words under B, B, A, L, ball, B, A, T, bat, B, A, T, bit, B, A, R, bar. All right. Now let's go to the next alphabet, which is letter C. Letter C. Now letter C has two sounds. So this first one is S with a dash at top, of course, letter like an S. But if I want to go further, you're learning more about letter S. With a dash on top is called S. And the second one is K with a curve on top. K. Now, here are words under S. That's the first letter of letter C. So which is this little thing here is called a circle. Circle. And here I was under letter S. We have S, E, city. Don't worry about the I. We're gonna learn further about the I, or you know what it's gonna call E. But for now, S, E, this is a city. S, E, scent. Don't worry about the letter E, letter N, letter T. We're gonna learn further about it when we go further. Now, center. This is center, of course, with the letter S. There's the dash on top. S. Now here are words under K, the second sound of letter C, which is this animal. Of course, well, we all know this animal, which some of us have at home. This is a cat. 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 Remember our first lesson with the A on top, with the A and curve on top, which is A. And here I was under A. So we have K, A, can. K, A, P, cap. K, A, K, cake. K, A, T, cat. So remember, letter C has two sounds. The first one is S with a dash on top, and the second one is K with a little curve on top. So these are the first three letters we're going to show you, and of course you're going to subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn further. So I hope this helps, and I hope you keep on practicing, and you learn how to read by the time at the end of this course. So see you in the next lesson.